Make you confident. I'm going to show you another technique that may change your confidence level a little higher. Okay? So, from the perspective of the trunk in the transverse plane, yes, maybe when I do this, I could have some flexion. I'm not disrespecting the flexion. I just want to have a conversation about the transverse plane motion. Okay? Wouldn't you say that my trunk starts out in its anatomical position in the transverse plane when I'm here? I mean, it's not deviated. Everything's looking straight. All the vertebrae are looking straight. Okay. And then I do, then I do this. And then you're like, oh, I'm not quite sure. That's okay. Come back up. How would I have to twist my trunk to go back home? So how did I have to move when I left home?
Right.
Aha. See what I'm saying? It shows you that I had to have a left transverse trunk. The trap is that you see feet going to the right. That's the trap. The feet go to the right because my trunk twisted to the left. Another way to look at it is my foot goes inside because my hip externally rotated. I mean, it's similar, you know. That's why we don't use landmarks to determine motion. We look at change in position of the bones that actually make up the joint. So the example of right transverse trunk, boom, boom, go back home, right transverse, oh God. Kelly Clarkson. We good? What say you, Snoop? Snoop's high as a kite. Demise. Okay. So let's look at your chairs. Well, I want to show you something, but I don't want you to not record if you don't want to. So my point is that it's up to you. If you want to do what I'm about to show you on your chairs, you can. If you want to stay and record, that's fine. Your chairs are unique. Yes, the front desks are the leaning tower of bourgeois, but your chairs are a great teaching tool because they swivel. So this is actually a great way to practice left transverse trunk is the same as left transverse trunk. Left transverse trunk, right, dang it, you pull. So the chair you're in could be a great tool on the test to figure some of these things out. Who cares if on the test I'm laying down? Just visual, I'm laying down and I do this, and I do that, right? I mean, or you can get up off the chair and lay down. But this is a great tool for you to kind of see how what's really happening is instead of when your top part's moving about your bottom, I'm moving my sternum to go visit my left hip. Well, when you flip it, all you're doing is moving your left hip to go visit your sternum. You get to the same place. You get to the same place. Okay. How about some practice? I'll do some practice. Okay. This will be cervical trunk questions only. Remember, cervical follows the same rules. It's just that you're not going to probably be like hanging from your maxilla and spinning your body around, right? So these practical examples were more exercise related. Your head, the way your head works is to cancel out motion so that you can keep your eyes up. That's really the bottom line, or repositioning your head so that you can see something in this 360-degree window of functional circle sight, above, below. All right, here we go. Position, same thing, right? Except you just use terms like right laterally bent, cervically flexed, right transverse, cervically rotated. I mean, just use the ED stuff. Okay. All right, here we go. First question. I'm doing a stretch to my side and come back this way. Can you identify how my trunk would be in terms of the position it's in? I'm trying to accentuate it, and I really don't know what I'm stretching, but we'll just pretend. Okay? How would my trunk be bent? I'm really trying to show you. Would it be bent to the right or bent to the left? To the left, right? To the left. When I do this, it's going to go along for the right. And so if I want to keep my shoulders level, I'm going to bend it back to the left, right? So the answer is to the left. To the left. Now dip. Dip, baby, dip. No? Okay. We'll do that when we do our hip review. I'll Tootsie roll. How about this one? Ooh, this is a tough one. I'm not going to start at anatomical position, okay? I start here, and I'm gonna put my arms up so that you can really see what's happening. It just helps to visualize what's really happening. Okay. So this is my start position. I'm trying to keep my pelvis is looking straight. Here's my start position. Okay, you ready? Do you remember what that means? Shaking up the edges, kids. You did. What did you observe? What did you see? What happened? What motions had to occur for me to do that skill? Discuss it. You can think about it. But what really